I'm Dr. Adarsh Anand, and my research career it began long back in 2009. And since my inception into University of Delhi, I've been into various dimensions. I've gone through various fields. I started my career in software reliability. Thereby, I moved on to marketing management, and of late I've added a new dimension to my research, which is basically social media analytics. So on guidance front, I've guided around 7 PhDs by now, and many more to come. So yes, this is something about brief about myself. And on writing forum, I have come up with two recent editorials and recent authored books of late published by CRC Press and Springer.